What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're joining me again today or tonight or this morning or whichever it is, wherever you are. Alright, so I just wanted to say thanks again for watching my videos and showing me some love. Anyway, so today I'm coming to you with a somewhat of an unboxing, if that's what, yeah, I would say it's an unboxing. It's a little story that goes behind it, so it's gonna be like another video that goes along with why I even got this item that I'm about to show you. So here we go. This is what we're opening up. All right, and okay. So this is the GODOX AD200 Pro. AD. Not 80, AD 200 Pro. All right, so this one is empty. I've been using this light already for a little while, and it's a pretty good light. But I didn't even intend to get it, first of all. So I'll get into all that with the next video. So you have to stay tuned for the next video, which the next video will be explaining why I even got this light, but also to explain why I end up getting two of them. So that one was unboxed already. This one hasn't been. All right, here we go. The twins. All right, so we're gonna get into this. Right. Oh, a little paperwork, little manual, and I guess instructions. Put that over here to the side. I'll take this. That's a nice little case too. It's good that they sent the case with it, especially it being as nice as it is. I'm not mad at it. But yeah, this is it right here. Gonna open her up. Alright, here we go. This is what comes in it. We're gonna start taking some things out. Alright, so this is trash and this is trash. But I must say, this right here isn't trash, in my opinion. This little bracket that the light connects to. It feels, I love the quality, the feel of it. My opinion. Always remember, my opinion. All right, so we're gonna go with the charger next. This is the charger, and it has like a percentage up here that shows the percentage of the battery as it's charging, and here is the battery. Yeah, so the battery got this little cap on it. Put that over here. All right, and as you can tell, it has like a groove here on the inside, and it's a groove here, and you just line that up and it's in there. And here we go with the little power cord, easy in and out. Right, then we're gonna go with, slide this back. All right, yeah, here we go. The AD200 Pro. I don't know, every time I say it, it sounds like I'm saying 80. AD200 Pro. All right, so this is it right here. Yeah, okay, and then let's see. So, as I said about the charger, also inside the battery department right here, it has a groove also that you just line it up and it slides right on in there. If you can find the hole. All right, and then yeah. So then that's that, and then we have this other attachment. It's for the bare bulb. If you can see in there, it's a red dot, like right here. My big finger in the way you probably can't see it, but here's the bulb. Yeah, that's the bulb. But as you can tell on the bottom, it's a red dot also. And you just line those two dots up, and just line them up, and boom, just like that. All right. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the head, because this is almost like a regular flash head on a speed light. Take that off, and then put the bare bulb on like so. All right, I'm just doing it backwards. Okay, upside down, and then boom. All right, and that's how that looks. And I have I actually have a short. I made like a little quick reflector that very last minute. I had not too long got these in the mail, and I had like a little photo shoot for Halloween with my niece and the rest of my family, and the kids. I wanted to get some pictures of them in they costumes, so I hurried up and came up with a little quick thing for a reflector using the bare bulb, and it worked out good for what I needed it for. Oh, sorry. Trying to get over. Been feeling a little under the weather past couple of days, so please excuse me. I'm sorry. All right. So, what I was saying? Yeah. So I have a short dealing with the little reflector, something I just came up real quick with, and then a video to go along with that short that I used the reflector on. So you could go look for that video on my channel. I'll try to have that in the description, and check it out. It's going to show you the quality of the pictures and stuff with the flash that was done that night or that late evening. But anyway, my next video going to be on why I even got these flashes, how it all happened, why it even happened. So yeah, there goes the back of the screen right there. All right, I'm sorry, I'm running my mouth. So this is the on and off button, a switch right here. Yeah. All right, and yeah, so I'll be explaining that on the next video. So please stay tuned for that and check it out, and hopefully it'll make sense to you. Yeah, so I'm going to end this video because I'm trying to make sure my videos don't be as long as others has been. So yeah, later.